This is day one of EXCON 2025. I see one of the busiest show of 2025 in Bangalore International Exhibition Center. All 4 or 5 halls are filled. There is massive exhibitors outside the ground. Both sides it's jam packed. Do visit EXCON 2025 to see the latest trends and equipments in construction. I see a lot of new technologies, a lot of machines displayed at the trade show. Do visit. Thank you. Mix Media team is visiting EXCON 2025 and we are here to cover some of the companies, and we will be sharing honest reviews with you about the show, about the halls, about the sort of visitors we are looking, sort of companies who are exhibiting. Do visit EXCON 2025. Thank you. Have a great day.